Kaseng jong kinong tray ka MEECL menta kila Pynbor ya ka jimbom sohon jongki ya ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki smart meter na ka benta ban Pynbor ya ka boarding electric haki yang kisam jong kinong song ka Jylla Meghalaya. Kani kaseng walada kam Pynbor Persya ya ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki smart meter hapo ka Jylla ha kibabun kinong song jongka kide kinong kendong kala ban bu jing ya ki. Habakran baglap thai Khubor Presiden jongka Association of Power Engineer MEECL Meghalaya uba Arju Dkhar ulong bak sarkar kamde ban Pynbor ya ka Jingpyndonkam ya ki smart meter namar wat ka sarkar India kam simna Pynbor yano ban Pynbor ya ki smart meter.
If the state is implementing smart meter, we want it that to the last mile function to the consumer. Full-fledged, not a piecemeal. You see, so now when you say you have installed a smart meter, whereas a meter reader will have to go, then that is not a smart. You are fooling us. You see, you cannot fool the consumer, and you as a consumer also, you should be very much aware of that. Once you install, I myself, I'll be very much happy to install a smart meter in my premises. Because why? With this, I can get everything. My consumption, my bill, everything. So it's the easiest, and I'm happy with that. I can check what is my consumption. So I'm happy with that. But the only thing is that please don't make it mandatory. Even the government of India has not made installation of smart meter mandatory. And please think about our rural people. Now, when a villagers whose bill is only 120 rupees a month, I'm just thinking about average. If you install a smart meter, there is a cost factor. Okay, I don't know whether they'll be able to have a smartphone. Who am I to judge? But the thing is this: whether they will be able to pay the extra cost. Because I'm not talking outside, okay? As per the training which I have received, I have asked, what will be the extra cost on this?